evening, Gator families, and welcome to our 2022-2023 open house. My name is Mrs. Ingersoll, and I am the proud principal here at Wellington Landings Middle School. At this time, please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please be seated. We are so excited for you to take a tour through your child's day at WLMS. Tonight, you will visit each of their 6 classes, meet their teachers, find out about the topics that they will cover in each class, see their Google Classrooms, and much more. There is a brief 5-minute break in between each class so that you can move on to the next classroom. There will be staff members and our amazing Gator guides out in the halls to direct you if you need any assistance. I hope that you were able to stop by our activities showcase. This event highlights many of the exciting activities and clubs that we offer after school. There is truly something for everyone. Please ask your child to pay close attention to the morning announcements each day, as this is the way we get information out as our clubs and activities begin. Information is also posted on our social media pages. You can even view the morning announcements on our YouTube channel. My goal for each student is to find at least one after-school activity, club, or sport that they would like to participate in. The key to success in middle school is staying organized. Please make sure to check your SIS Gateway to monitor your child's grades at least twice a week. Students should also keep assignments and upcoming events in their student planner. We have already completed lessons on the importance of time management and organization. Finally, please discuss our acronym GET with your child. This stands for G, check your Google Classroom, E, check your email at least twice a day, and T, talk to your teachers. The culture of our school focuses on our universal guidelines of STAR, or students and teachers are respectful, responsible, and resilient. These are our expectations of everyone on our campus, and our goal is that these core values will follow our students long after they leave Landings. Your child can earn a World Changer Award in class and throughout campus for exhibiting these qualities. I am so excited for a successful school year, and please remember that our amazing school counselors, assistant principals, and administrative staff are here if you need anything at all. Please refer to our school website should you need to contact any one of us. Also, please remember that we are always accepting volunteers for our PTO and Watchdog programs, and your help in any way is greatly appreciated. Have a wonderful time visiting our classes and meeting your children's wonderful and dedicated teachers tonight. See you soon. Go Gators!